Hi, today's videos are about inverse circular functions, and we'll start with sine x. So we have the function x, which is mapped to sine x. But if we were to map x to sine x, that will be a many one mapping. And by that I mean it would not get a unique value for each input or independent variable, and conversely you won't get a unique value for the inverse mapping back to the input. So there's no inverse mapping here if you just map x to sine x, and that's using the domain x belonging to the set of real numbers. So no inverse here, no inverse. But if we curtail our domain to the interval minus pi over 2 to pi over 2, then we can have f maps to sine x, and that's a 1 1 mapping. It has inverse sine inverse x, and that's what we're looking for. Functions must be a 1-1 mapping. Another thing to note is that for the function f, which maps x to sine x using this interval minus pi over 2 to pi over 2, the input is an angle and the output is a number. And conversely, for the inverse, we have our input is a number. So we have a input of a number. Let's just an x. So input is a number, and the output, let's write it up here, the output is an angle. Right, so input a number and output a number for f inverse, which maps x to sine inverse x. So now we can define f to be a mapping of x to sine x with domain minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. And f inverse x as a mapping so with domain -1 between -1 and 1. As we can see above here in the graph, we've chosen to restrict our domains between -π/2 to π/2, and in this case we have a function, we have a unique mapping of the independent variable to a dependent variable, and in the inverse, the independent variable to the dependent variable to the independent variable. So as you can see here, that's our sine x, and the inverse here, we have inputs as a number along the x axis and outputs as an angle. And for sine x, mapping of x to sine x, we have an input here of an angle with an output sine x as a number. And that wraps it up for sine x and its inverse. The next video will be cosine x, and following that will be tan x. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.